The SC-G6030 has a wide range of printing modes to suit different customers' needs. In this video, we will show you how to make applications using SC-G6030 and Epson Edge Print Pro in different print modes. If you are producing merchandise with small logos, like those on caps or apparel care labels, Level 3 print mode is the recommended choice. It is optimized for efficient productivity and can achieve impressive print speeds of up to 11.5 meters square per hour with single-layer throughput. You can manage this easily using Epson Edge Print Pro. Let's walk through the step-by-step guide. First, launch Epson Edge Print Pro. Import media by clicking the Add button. Go to Basic Settings at the right tab. Change Media Size. Media Name. Number and order of layering. Depending on your print application, you can choose the different layers accordingly. But for this demonstration, we will be using the double layer. Choose the print quality as preferred. The default print quality is set at Level 3. Next, go to Layout on the right tab. Adjust the alignment and scaling to reduce or enlarge your image based on your print job requirements. Then enter your job quantity. This will duplicate the number of the same images, making it ideal if you need to print multiple logos for the products. Adjust centering if needed. Then go to Layer Setting and set your creating method to image. This adds a white base layer to your image, which helps it transfer more clearly onto dark-colored apparel or merchandise. Send it in the print job by clicking the Print button. The printout goes through the shaker. Here are the required functions of the shaker. The shaker must have a function to automatically change the feed speed or turn on or off the feed according to the printer's media output status. It is recommended that the shaker must have the ability to change various parameters to suit a variety of media or powders. When choosing the right shaker, look for one that offers the following adjustment features: preheater or heater temperature, media feed speed, shake intensity, winding speed, strength, frequency, etc. The ink and powder must be cured sufficiently according to the line speed of each mode. At a minimum, it is recommended to support the fastest mode of approximately 29 meters square per hour. Once the printing is done, cut the printout into appropriate size to suit the material and transfer the design to the material using the heater, and the final product will be done. Color ink mode is the ideal choice for light-colored materials. It is perfect for producing items like white t-shirts, tags, and more. This mode offers a speed of up to 11.5 meters square per hour. To print in color ink mode, please select Single Layer, Color Only in the Basic Settings. Continue to adjust the other settings, and then print. As you can see, there is no white layer being printed on the images. Since the substrates are already white or light colored, there is no need to add an extra layer for the prints to stand out. For printing white images, white ink mode is the best choice. It offers a speed of up to 11.5 meters square per hour, the same as color ink mode. To print in white ink mode, please select Single Layer, White Only in the Basic Settings. Continue to adjust the other settings and then print. Choosing the right print settings for the G6030 can enhance print quality across various materials and, most importantly, minimize wastage on your ink. It also helps your designs stand out better, depending on the base layer of the substrate or merchandise. All of this can be managed through the Epson Edge Print Pro.